Hi, I'm John Everett with Zurn Industries. I'm very pleased to be with you today to introduce you to another exciting product from the Zurn Wilkins Group, and that is the ZW215FP Fire Pump Suction Control Valve. Now, fire pumps can pump tremendous amounts of water, and if they're basically pumping a tremendously large capacity, that can draw down the suction pressure to the pump. Well, that can create a couple of problems. Number one, if our pump suction pressure drops too low, we can cavitate the pump, resulting in damage to that pump. But also, if we draw that suction pressure down very low, we're creating backflow situations up and down the street wherever that fire is occurring. So to prevent that from happening, the ZW215FP mounts on the downstream side of the fire pump. But what it's doing is it's sensing the inlet pressure to that fire pump. In other words, sensing the pressure in the suction line. Now, in the event that the fire pump starts pumping so much water that my suction pressure starts to drop dangerously low, this valve will sense that and it will begin to close itself off ever so slightly. Now remember, it's mounted on the downstream side of the pump, so when it starts to close itself, it's going to reduce the amount of flow coming out of that fire pump. Now, I don't want to indicate that this valve is going to slam itself shut or anything of that nature. No. All it's doing is slowing down ever so slightly the flow coming out of the fire pump. That in turn will make the suction pressure rise. And again, the intended purpose is to control that suction pressure to the fire pump so that we don't draw it down so dangerously low that we create cavitation in the pump or create backflow situations up and down the street. So if you have any questions about this product, I encourage you to contact the Zurn Customer Care Department, and they can load you up with spec sheets, instruction sheets, anything of that nature. If you need to talk to an engineer about this product for sizing or anything of that nature also, Customer Care will direct you accordingly. So again, I strongly encourage you to give your Customer Care Department a call at Zurn Industries and ask them for information about the ZW215FP Fire Pump Suction Control Valve.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please subscribe to our One Zurn YouTube channel. Call our Customer Care Center at 1-855-1-ZURN and visit us at zurn.com.